In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get a free domain for Shopify. When you create a Shopify store, Shopify automatically gives you a free domain that looks like this: your brand name followed by .myshopify.com. This is your default store address, and it works right away without you needing to buy anything. It is the simplest way to get online fast, especially if you are still building your store, testing products, or working on your branding. To start, create your Shopify store as normal. As soon as the store is created, Shopify assigns that myshopify.com address to your account. You can use it to access your storefront and to log in and manage your store. It is also a real web address that can be shared, so it can function as your public domain if you want it to. Next, you will want to know that Shopify lets you change the MyShopify handle one time for free. This is helpful if you created your store quickly and the handle does not match your brand name or if you made a spelling mistake. To do this, go into your Shopify admin and open Settings. Then go to Domains. In the Domains area, you will see your MyShopify address listed, and from there you can update the handle. Take a moment to choose carefully, because Shopify only allows this change once without cost. A good tip is to keep it short, easy to read, and as close to your brand name as possible. Now, let us talk about what you are getting with this free option. The biggest advantage is that it costs $0 forever. You do not need to renew it each year, and you do not need to pay a domain provider. Shopify also includes an SSL certificate automatically, which means your store can load securely over HTTPS. That security is important for customer trust and for protecting data. The main downside is appearance. A myshopify.com address usually looks less professional than a custom.com domain. Many customers expect a branded domain, so if you are running ads or building a long-term brand, you may eventually want to upgrade. For now, this free domain is a solid starting point. And that is all there is to it.